Hey guys, so I'm back in another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about some Boost Mobile deals. There's pretty good ones actually, but the main one we're talking about again is the iPhone SE. It's still going on, and I think it's a good time, especially right now with the holidays. Christmas is around the corner. It's about give or take 3.5 weeks away. So if you guys are looking for a phone for your kids or someone like that, your family members, it's time to get it. So if you go to boostmobile.com, you scroll down a little bit, you'll check this out. So as you can see, it is right here. So iPhone SE $99.99. So $100 guys for a phone that's $400. I bought this phone when it was $400. It's a great phone. Of course, now I've sold it and got an iPhone 12 Pro, but hey, overall it was a good phone. As you can see, suggested retail price is $400 or $399.99. The iPhone SE for $100 is a steal, no brainer. So let's go ahead and check out learn more. So before we get to this, guys, if you guys want to support the channel, you can by checking out the links below in the description below. The links in the description below. Yeah, it helps out the channel a lot. It helps me bring more videos and more phones. I'm just waiting for some phones to come out. There's nothing really coming out right now for me to unbox and review. So you can also check out my supporter, which is Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension. I'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/ergonic to save even more. All of that will be in the description below, so check it out. So let's get back to the phone, guys. The iPhone SE for $100. What a steal. So as you can see, here's the in-store offers. So this is an in-store offer, which is great for business, for the dealers. So to get this deal, you have to go to a store. So go ahead and get it before it runs out of stock. So you can find your store by clicking there, of course. Scroll down here, and there it is, the iPhone SE for $99.99 plus taxes. You will have to get, of course, a plan and everything. Let's go. If you scroll down, or if you just click the offer details, it will take you there. So if you click offer details, here's the details on it. So the iPhone SE right here, guys. So it says iPhone SE for $100. I like to round it up. It's pointless just to say $99.99. To the human eye and the human mind, yeah, 99 sounds better than 100, but to me, it's a penny. Who cares? It says while supplies last. That's another thing. While supplies last, guys. This is good until actually a whole month and like a week from now. So it expires January 7th, guys. So you still have time to do it. But remember, the big thing is while supplies last. Don't go ahead and hold on until the last couple days until Christmas, and then you're not going to find one for sure. It says while supplies last, excluding taxes, limited one device per line, available for new customers only, requires a port-in and activation on a $60 Boost Mobile Unlimited Plus plan. So right off the bat, like I said, of course, for such cheap price, Boost Mobile has to get their bag. They have to make money off of it. They're losing $300 on this device. So it will require you to port your number in. Why? Because it kind of guarantees them a little bit. It's kind of collateral. It guarantees them that you're going to stick with them a little longer. So right now, like, let's say if you already have a plan or a family plan and you want to add your son or your daughter, your kids, your siblings, whoever, and you want to get them an iPhone SE, let's say they have a Cricket iPhone 6s or something like that, and you're like, Boost Mobile right now is offering the SE for only $100. You port your number in, yeah, you can keep your same number, so they'll do that. Of course, you have to be on a $60 unlimited plan, minimum or higher. Can't be anything lower. Like I said, they have to make money somehow. It excludes from port-related carriers, so anything that uses Sprint. Like I said, it's a little iffy now with the whole T-Mobile merger, but it can't be anything that uses Sprint network. So no Boost Mobile, Sprint, Virgin Mobile, some other carriers I can't even really think about right now that even use Sprint anymore, since a lot of them kind of jump ship. It says in select markets, so not all the markets will do it. It excludes boostmobile.com or niche national retailers. So same thing is telling you right there, you cannot find this deal on Boost Mobile's website, and you cannot get this via like a Walmart or a Target that sells Boost Mobile. It says discount applies towards phone purchase, so it's only good for the phone. You're not going to get $300 cash. It says no cashbacks, credit, or rainy checks. Select model only. So of course this is good for the iPhone SE only. No substitutions. Selection and availability vary by retailer. Right there, it's telling you it vary. The stock might vary, so just check with your local store. Sometimes some stores will say they don't have any. I usually would just go into a store and just ask them there. So if you call them over the phone, maybe they're so busy they're like, nah. So quick thing, try to go in there or before they open. So try to get this deal, guys. Like I said, the holidays is around the corner. $100 for an iPhone SE, best phone. I think I bought it at $400, and I think it was still worth it for an iPhone. But at $100, it's a steal, so why not? So, thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, check out the description below. It does help the channel quite a bit. So check it out and let me know what you guys think. So, thank you, guys.